This is a SnapEd New York video presentation.
Hi everyone, this is Uzma. I am a registered dietitian and Farm to Preschool coordinator. Eat Well Play Hard Farm to Preschool is a program to increase access to fresh local produce and reduces the cost barrier to healthy eating. We will provide you the information about farmers market in your area and education to incorporate more vegetable fruits in daily life. It's my contact information. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. ncc_edam@yahoo.com. These are the ingredients of cabbage and dill salad. I'm going to use cilantro instead of dill. And here is the food safety tip that always use a clean cutting board for fresh produce and separate the raw seafood, meat and poultry to avoid cross-contamination. And never place cooked food back in the same plate or the cutting board which you have used it for your raw meat or poultry. Okay, so I'm going to wash my hands. Remember to wash your hands for 20 seconds. Now I'm going to wash cabbage and a carrot. That's the two ingredients I will be using for today's recipe. Okay, now I'm going to wash cilantro, and remember, sometimes it has a lot of dirt, so you have to wash it very well. This recipe calls for dill. I was not able to find it, so I bought cilantro, but if you have dill, that's good. And if you like to use another herb instead, you can use parsley, you can use mint, whatever is available, and you can use the dried dill or any dry herb. Okay, so I'm going to wash it very well. Okay, so I'm going to shred my purple cabbage, and you can use the green cabbage if you prefer green. Just the same. The tastes are almost the same, and the cabbage has a lot of vitamin C, which can prevent you from infection and cancer. And cabbage you can make salad from, and you can cook it with beans and rice, and it's good to go. Either way, you can eat it raw, you can cook it, anything which you like. You can make stews, you can make soups. So today we are going to make a recipe from cabbage. Okay, so are you ready? So I'm going to shred cabbage, but you can chop cabbage if you like. It's just the same. Okay, so I'm going to shred my cabbage, and I need 1 cup of cabbage. Okay, so I'm going to add my cabbage in the bowl. Okay. I'm going to grate the carrot, and you can cut it into small pieces if you like. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to mince cilantro, and when you chop it very fine, that's what it means, to mince. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to chop it. Okay, now I'm going to add my cilantro in the bowl, which is already minced, and I'm going to mix them. Okay, so the leftover cilantro, you can put it in the plastic bag like that, and cover it very well. And you can leave it in the refrigerator for a few days, like 2 to 3 days. It will be fresh, and you can use it. Okay, and you can freeze it too if you like, and use it later for soups. And the cabbage, you can cover it with the plastic paper, and this can be used for 1 week or 2. This will be fresh like that when you cover it with the plastic paper. And then the carrot, leftover carrot, you can use it also for your soups or salads. So you can use them later. Okay, now I'm going to make my dressing. So this is 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and you can use any vinegar. So I'm going to put it in the cup. And then this is half tablespoon of oil, which is vegetable oil, but you can use any oil you have. So you put it inside, and then the salt and pepper is always up to you. It's according to your taste you like to put it in. So then you can mix it. Okay, so I'm going to taste my recipe now, which is ready to try, and you can eat it right away or you can refrigerate it for half an hour. If you're allergic to any of these ingredients, you can omit or substitute the ingredient, okay? Because allergies are very serious. So now I'm going to try the recipe, and let's see how is it. Okay. It's good. It has a great combination of flavors of carrot, cabbage, and cilantro. I love it. You can eat it with rice. You can eat it just like that. So this is the cost of our recipe today, and I hope you like the recipe. This is the cost saving tip. Ask your friends and family members where they shop, and this way you know that which stores have the best prices. And sometimes the ethnic stores and dollar stores have better prices. Farmers market or farmer stands can offer also the fresh produce at the good prices, and it's the local also, so that's the good deal. There are some foods can be choking hazard for preschoolers, so make sure you supervise your children while they're eating, and cut the food into half-inch sizes so they don't choke on the food. So I just want to give you a few tips on children. So children need a variety of vegetables and fruits to grow, and this way they can learn about colors and the texture of the food by trying them. So eat with them, cook with them, shop with them, talk to them. This always will make them try new foods, and they will be more familiar to these foods. Here's the farmers market information in your area. Thank you for watching, and wait for my next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye.
Getting involved with SNAP Ed New York. This program is free for those who qualify or receive SNAP benefits. We want to help you save time, save money, and eat healthy. Learn how SNAP Ed can make a difference in your life. For more information and to find your local program, visit snapedny.org. This material is funded by USDA's Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. SNAP. This institution is an equal opportunity provider.